So see, cash general and petty cash. Okay, what is the requirement for cash general and petty cash in a company? First, that we need to understand. Okay, if you guys can tell me what is the meaning of cash general. No, see, cash general means generally in a company for any transaction, company will use bank. Like with bank only, company will make the payments or any expenses. Company will make the with the help of bank outgoing. Okay, or bank transfer. Company will use these two GL accounts to do any expense, bank transfer and bank outgoing account generally to any vendor for any expense. Okay, so company will do these two things, but cash general and petty cash means company will set some limit. Some client they will call it as petty cash. So sometimes company will set a limit. Okay, and they will set a limit like up to, let's suppose in India up to 10,000. We will do the expense by cash only. Means
Mm-hmm.
up to 10,000 expenses will be done, like minimum small expenses. Those things, for those things, with the help of cash, expenses will be done. If small up to 10,000 it is there, then we will do like small means what, like in office, let's suppose stationary expenses company needs to make. Okay, stationary means pen, pencil, this that those kind of miscellaneous expenses, small expenses. So company will set a limit up to 10,000 miscellaneous expense. Company will do with the help of cash. If more than 10,000, then company will use the same process, bank process. Like with the help of bank outgoing, company will make the payment. But up to 10,000, company will make the payment with the help of cash only. Okay. Otherwise, if more than 10,000 requirement is there for the payment, then company will use bank account, bank outgoing account or bank transfer account. Okay? You're getting the requirement. First, try to understand the requirement.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's suppose Dilip business is there. So in the Dilip business, there can be so many small expenses like stationary expenses, or daily. Let's suppose snacks or a tea. Like let's suppose in the Dilip business there are 50 employees. Okay, and one employee is they are giving tea and snacks to, let's suppose, to all 50 employees. uh, 10 rupees, let's suppose tea, 10 rupees, let's suppose this one, snacks. Okay, 20. So 50 into 20, 1,000. So they will not pay this 1,000 by bank. They will pay. They will do this with the help of by cash only. So with the help of cash general. So
Mm-hmm.
see, automatically this cash general will not work. We cannot simply define one cash account and we can do that. That is not recommendable. So actually we need to set amount limit in the system. It's not simply like I can create one cash GL account and I can do. So we need to set a limit, right? Otherwise, what
Mm-hmm.
will happen? We will keep on using that. Okay. So limit cash general GL account we need to define. First step in the configuration actually we need to do. These are the configuration steps I did. First, we need to define cash general GL accounts. In those cash general GL accounts, in which we want to do the expenses. Okay, up to certain limit. Then we need to define in the system the limit, like up to what uh, amount this I want to set the limitation. Whether it depends upon the company requirement. not from SAP. Like if I want to set limit for 1,000, I can set. If company wants to set a limit for 20,000, company can set. It's depending upon the it depends upon the requirement of the company. But for that, see how system will understand, we will do the consultant needs to do the configuration. Then system will those settings will be there in the system, and system will work according to the configuration done in the backend, right? So first step, cache general creation. We need to do consultant needs to define cache general, which is part of configuration, and then amount limit consultant will set. These all things will happen in the coordination and as per the requirement of the client of the business. Then these things will be consultant will do accordingly. Then they will define a separate document type for cash general document. See, you guys are understanding what I'm trying to explain. What
Yes,
is the requirement
Yes.
of cash general? It is simple only, right?
that's good.
Shavanti, you
Yeah, yeah. Getting.
understanding, right? If up to
Huh.
certain amount, company will make the payment with the help of cash. So but for those things we need to define in the system this limit, cash general, petty cash. Now let's suppose for GL document, what is our document type for GL document?
AC.
SA. Okay. And for reversal GL, it is AB. So now what we
AB.
need to do? Yes. So with the help of document type, document type helps in understanding what tell me.
What,
With the
bro?
help of document type, what we can understand?
Your voice is not clear.
Not clear? Okay. Now, is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, with the help of document type, actually document types helps us to in understanding which things, what we can understand with the help of document type, or what is
Whether
the
it
use
is
of
a
document
bank
type?
statements
Hmm?
or
Type of transaction.
Yes, it helps us in understanding the what is the type of the transaction, right? Document type. What is the type of the transaction? Type of the transaction means whether that the transaction is uh, whether the transaction is invoice transaction is happening, whether transaction is uh, credit memo transaction
Reversed.
is happening, whether it is payment happening. So what is the type of the we can understand with the help of document type. Let's suppose if it is KR. KR means
Invoice.
invoice,
which invoice? Vendor invoice,
Non-payment.
customer invoice,
vendor invoice,
vendor invoice, right? Same way, if it is KZ, sorry, if it is DZ,
incoming
Customer
payment.
invoice.
no, customer not invoice, incoming customer incoming payment, customer incoming it is DZ, it is not DR. DZ means customer
Yeah,
incoming payment, right?
payment.
So same way, if it is SA, we can understand what it is GL document.
GL to GL.
Okay, if it is AB, we can understand it is reversal GL document. Same way, what SAP is recommending, create a separate document type for cash general document. So, with the help of this cash general document, let's suppose it will be CP, we can understand if it is CP document type, we can understand simply it is a cash general document. It is not a GL document, right?
Yes.
So, we need to define document types also for cash general document, and this is the requirement. To understand the particularly these documents belong to cash general documents only. Easily we can understand. Okay.
Okay.
So now these three configuration we have done. Now we have not done it. I have explained. Now the fourth one is define number range intervals for cash general. We need to define the number range interval for cash general. We need to set up
Okay.
in the we need to do set up the cash general. Let's suppose I will show you the existing uh, this one existing configuration. Let me show you. Then you guys will understand. This is turned to yellow. That is why last one server. So you guys are understanding the requirement?
Yes, bro.
Yes.
Is it tough? You guys are feeling tough?
No.
See, easy only. But practice, see, practice please. आप लोग practice करिए. आप लोग you guys are better than me. No, in terms of your mind and आप लोग बहुत mind sharp है. But practice, I request practice करना पड़ेगा. Little like 3 companies you need to run.
Okay.
Okay, so hard work means otherwise now they will in interview they will give the scenarios and easily interviewer can prep.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so sharp you guys are means you guys have good mind, good sharp mind, but three company please run end to end. Then you guys will be ready. Okay, so
You have got the Wi-Fi, bro?
yeah, Wi-Fi I got yeah. Company is giving in here. Our company is giving
Yes.
12 GB, but 12 GB is very
Okay,
less
router
actually.
and the connection all companies paying.
Company is giving mobile SIM. In the mobile SIM data is 12 GB, but 12 GB is very less, right? That will for us like I need to like
Per day 12 GB.
no for 1 month 12 GB. And in India we use in Geo minimum 1 GB, right?
Mhm.
For me, actually, this video, this one uploading, it will take
Mm.
more. So, just a minute, bank account, financial accounting, no. Okay, fine. See, these are the configuration. Okay, create GL account for cash general. Now, you guys should have like you should ask this GL creation is not part of configuration. It is a part of create GL is a part of SAP menu screen, right? User screen. But that is correct. We will create the GL account from there only, but we need to assign here. We need to assign the GL account for the cash general. So assignment for here it is creation only, but this is the part of configuration in cache general. That is why we are creating here. So like this, the interviewer will try to confuse us. Okay, they will say why you are creating GL in the that is the part of configuration for the cache general. So we need to be very confident. Okay, so see, this is the GL creation only, but it is happening for the cache general GL we will create here. Okay, and we will book all those expenses, those petty expenses, cash generated expenses only to created cash generated in the cash general created GLs only. So first we will create the GL for the specific GL for the cash general. Second, we will set the amount limit. Let's suppose, see, these two company codes, they have set 10,000. 10,000, like I said, as per the company requirement, they can set 20. Hmm? Hello?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, as per the company requirement, they can set 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. So as per the company requirement, they can set. Okay. So now third configuration, document type. See, same document type configuration. So here for cash payment, CP for cash receipt. Similarly, like payment scenario I told you guys. Similarly,
Yeah.
there are receipts also, small receipts, petty receipts means uh, like 1,000 rupees, incoming payment coming, 2,000 coming. So company will what same scenario, like company will restrict up to 10,000 or up to 20,000. They according to the requirement, they will set up to 20,000. I need all the incoming payments I want to book in the cash general only. I want to collect through cash general GL accounts only up to 20,000. After more than 20,000, then I will collect in the bank incoming account. Okay, so this the same way like for payment, same way we need to do it for the receipts also. So we are setting up two document types, CP and CR. And for CP, what is the reversal document type? C. For CP, reversal document type AB. It is a standard given. Number range C10. Reference number not required. If you guys can understand, remember this reference number required during the document entry for which document type?
KR.
Yeah, yes, correct. Very good. So for KR it is required. For CP SA this is not required. Okay. So now CP and you can see CR for cash receipts. For cash general only we will use. Number range 11. Document reversal document type AB. So now see this one is also done. Then what we will do next? Same we need to do. Define number range intervals for the cash general. Let's suppose this is my previous another company code. We need to click on intervals. This is the number range you need to define for cash general. Okay. Now number group we will define.
Number. What is meaning of number in group?
Number in group we will not do. You can skip this one. This one is this one we need to do. This one we will not do. Number range interval for cash general. Okay, this one we will do. So we need to define particular number range for cash general documents. Like we want the cash general documents to be triggered, to be created with this number range. Okay, like from 0001 to up to this much, we want the number range document to be created. So we're just defining a number range the way we used to do in the GL document for the
Okay.
GL document number range. Same way. Okay. Now the most these two we can skip, not required. Now set up cash general. This one is very important. Now see, set up cash general. So let me do filter position with my previous company code. Now see, actually in my complete experience, I did not get this opportunity. But for one client, when I was on site, I got one requirement to do the cash general. So means if something which means and that requirement means whichever topic I'm giving now, you guys please practice anytime those things can can come like. So but one time it has come and during the on-site only, and it was very means we can say not very important but important. So please practice this topic also. Okay, so see these four I have configured earlier. Okay, so maintain view for the cash setup cash journals. Okay, so here company code and this one is cash journal number.
What is cash in and number, bro? You have to create.
Yeah, we need to give some like a naming convention actually here. Okay, let's suppose we have created four cash journal GL account. Okay, how we have created? Let me show you. GL account description in company code. Hmm. See, these four cash journal I have created, okay, for cash in hand. For this one, my another company code for which I have done the configuration. See, 240100. Bokaro is the place in my hometown, actually in Jharkhand. So this is that's why this Bokaro is a city in Jharkhand. I have written that cash in hand Bokaro, cash in hand corporate, cash in hand Nalanda is a city in Bihar, and cash in hand Tata. Tata is also city in Jharkhand. So now see these Tata Nagar. These four places I have created. See, four GL accounts I have defined. Okay, means I want to book the cash expenses as per the Dilip business requirement. Only let's if I will give my example. So I want to book these expenses only in the these four cash GL accounts. If company wants to book in another two, three, or another five, 10, company according to the requirement they can maintain other also cash GL accounts also. But as per the let's suppose Dilip business wants to book the cash expense up to 10,000 in these four GL accounts only. Okay. So now see, these are the four GL accounts, and this is the what I told. This is a cash journal number naming convention kind of. I have defined this. Okay. Now, in which currency I want, that is defined, and you guys see, this is very important. Try to see. This is document type only, right? Cash payment.
Yes.
CP is a document type only, cash payment. Now see here, this is also cash general document type. Okay, that's why cash general document type. Now you guys will say payment to vendor. Cash general document type. This one. Let me show you this one. See, cash general document type. GL account posting. Okay, this one for GL account means we need to do cash general posting for GL account expenses, for GL expenses, not vendor related. Then here we are assigning CP document type for cash general document type. Means cash expenses we need to do for GL expenses. Means GL expenses like for any miscellaneous expenses. Okay, not vendor related. So when this document type we are defining, first one, this one, then this one, cash general document type for payment to vendor. If to vendor we want to do the cash general below 10,000 or 20,000, okay, then this document type, like I want CP document type only to be used. Okay, then next one, payment from vendor. Payment from vendor, but it should be receipt, right? Payment from vendor. Let me this one. Okay, payment from customer. It is CR only, cash receipts, right? It is correct only. And this one, payment to customer. Okay. Payment to customer also we want customer related we want to CR only, and vendor related we want to keep in the CP only, and for
CP.
GL expenses we want in CP only, CP document type only. So those this is what we need to do in the setup in the system, which is a part of configuration. So this we need to do in the system. This is part of configuration. Means here in particularly our company code we will LI01 we will define like this only. And this is just a naming convention. Okay. And these are the four GLs, and these are the document types we are defining. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now next configuration we will do create change delete business transaction. So now again let me filter, which we will also do. So this one, these all configuration scenarios actually I have defined. So there can be other scenarios also in the real time. So according to that, but please try to understand first this scenario. So now see, if the requirement is cash withdrawn from bank, but suppose in this GI01 company code, what limit I have defined 10,000. Okay. If suppose cash withdrawn from bank means cash withdrawn from bank means cash is coming, right?
Yes.
Cash is coming. Okay. So that time, what is the GL account we want that will be triggered. So see this one 241001 means outgoing, right? So what will be the journal entry? Hmm? Cash withdrawn
Purchases to
from bank. So please tell me journal entry. And yeah, please tell me journal entry from SDFCA. Okay, wait. You guys will be confused. No, not an issue. So first we will do this one. No, not an issue. Consultancy charges. If suppose I want to do petty cash expenses for consultancy charges. Okay. First let's do this one. No problem. Yeah. Okay. So let's suppose this consultancy charges is below 10,000, then we will make this expense company business will make this expense through cash generally, right? Suppose 5,000 is the
yes.
consultancy charges. What will be the GL entry? GL entry will be simple. This consultancy
Profit
charges expense
to
account
cash.
debit expense DR to cash general.
Cash.
Journal. We have defined four GL accounts like corporate and four location like four. So let's suppose I want to book in the cash channel corporate GL. Okay. And now let's see advertisement expense same. Okay. Cash payment to vendor. If I want to make cash payment to vendor, what will be the expense? What will be the GL account? Accounting entry. Accounting entry will be
Vendor account data to cash.
vendor account data to cash. Okay. Same way, now let's do the cash receipt from the customer. It will be cash account debit to customer account credit, right?
Yes.
Now you guys
Yes.
please understand. Try to tell me the entry when cash withdrawn from SDFC bank below 10,000, below limit.
Contra entry.
Yeah, what will be the entry?
Cash withdrawn. Cash account data to bank account.
So bank which GL account? Because in we have maintained four bank GL accounts, right? Incoming,
HDC
outgoing. Yeah, as for SDFC, we have maintained four
Outgoing.
GL accounts.
outgoing.
Yes. So the accounting entry will be cash general GL account debit to SDFC Bank outgoing account, right?
Yeah.
If cash deposited
Yes.
with IDBI, then what will be the accounting entry?
Cash.
We are business is depositing cash, okay,
Hmm.
in IDBI bank.
IDBI incoming GL to cash.
Cash, right? So this is what is the requirement we have defined. There can be other requirements also, but this is the base, very basic. If we are understanding this much, we can define other requirements also. Now see company
Yes.
code, transaction, this business transaction type. What is the meaning of business transaction type? So let's suppose what is the meaning. So now see, C means receipt from bank account. C means receipt from the bank account, right? So I have C cash withdrawn from bank. B means payment to bank account. B means payment to depositing in the bank account. R means revenue. Okay, these two are consultancy charges. Okay, these two were revenue. Sorry. So if these two are revenue, then cash account to revenue account credit, cash account debit to revenue account credit. If it is E means expense, D means customer posting, and K means vendor posting. So these are the business transaction type we need to assign. Okay, and then GL account we need to assign. Okay, and this cash general business transaction like details we need to provide, and text we need to provide. This is what we need to do. Now you guys can notice for vendor, customer, customer and vendor we are not defining any GL account, but for these expenses we have given the GL account. Why?
This is not. This will not come from under GL to GL.
Yeah, correct. Correct. Yeah, please explain.
Vendor and customer is not come under GL.
Yes, that is not main GL. Those are
Mm.
sub ledger, right?
Yes.
Sub ledger. Because in the vendor and customer, we are assigning the main ledger. Main GL account we are assigning, right? Vendor and customer
Yes.
are sub ledger account. Correct only. That is the reason we are not defining here vendor and customer, but this business transaction type what we are defining here D. D means system will understand it is customer, and K means system will understand it is vendor. And
Vendor.
here see, this is special GL. If we want to do with the customer or vendor a special GL transaction, that also we need to define the system. First K, and after that A also we need to define. If there is any other special GL, like in vendor case, if there is retention requirement, we can do retention also. Okay. If in the
Yeah.
customer scenario also there are four security deposit, there are other advanced receipt from the customer. That those things also we can define in the system, and we can do that cash and requirement also. So you guys very good. You guys are understanding. So this one we will do this configuration. Now at last set up print parameters for cash general. So see, company code, cash general print program, which is a standard given. Okay, report variant and correspondence. Okay, so for the printing purpose of the cash general transaction, so we want this one to be defined. So now in SE30, this is the program, print program, which we can see in SE38, standard program only.
What you say?
Will
For the printing purpose, SE38, Control Z, Control O. Okay, so now see, these settings we need to do. Let's suppose I have done this program setting for this company code, my another company code like this. Cash general 100, G100 you remember? G100 I have defined there in setup cash general. Okay, and company code and date interval. Okay, so this is the in the program actually we define some do some uh, you know we put some parameters, and then when we will run this program, system will take care of with the details the things system will take care. Okay, so now so this one also we will do, and after that now see, we have this. We need to define this document type. Like we have other ledgers also, IFRS and US GAAP. Okay. So for leading ledger, we have defined the number range. But for IFRS and for US GAAP, yeah, okay, we need to define the number range also. Same way, 98, 98, 99, 99. And for those, so means number range setting we need to do again for the IFRS and for the US GAAP. So this is the requirement. Okay.
Already we have done, right? Again we have to do.
Yeah, we have done. No, yes, you are right. But see, this one number range in total sector, right? This one, let me show. But see, this one we have done only for our cash generated, but this one we have not done ledger wise. We have three ledgers, right? Leading ledger, okay, zero L, which is standard, and we have defined
Yeah.
IFRS for us and non-leading ledger IFRS, non-leading ledger US GAAP. So can you see whether ledger wise maintenance we have done?
Hmm.
We have not done ledger wise. It is not
Yeah.
asking like to do with the ledger wise. So that is why we need to define ledger wise. Means CFBN1 company code T code T code T code T code. Let me go by path in T code. T code actually. So ledger wise, the way we used to do in the for the GL we have done, for the AP we have done. Same way we need to do here the number range. Financial accounting new. Now see, leading ledger we will not define in the leading ledger. Okay, so in a ledger, this one. So our our what is our ledger? LX X1, right? X1 is our IFRS. So now see, we have defined for SA AB same way. Here we want CP and CR, right? CP means cash payment,
Yeah.
CR means cash receipts. So
Okay. Okay.
for a document, like we have three document view. Document is posted in our leading ledger. Document is posted parallel accounting. Document is posted in the
Hmm.
IFRS. Document is posted in the US GAAP, right? Any document we can
Yeah.
see. Same way we want to see these cash journal documents also in a three views, right? Cash journal document we want also to be posted as per the parallel accounting system in the leading ledger, IFRS and US GAAP. So, but how system will do? Like, to CP and CR document type, we need to configure in the system this number range, right? Then system will do the
Yeah.
parallel accounting, right? Same way, like the way we used to do for GL, APAR topic, same way we will do for cash journal also and number range maintenance. Okay. So now
Okay.
let us move to do the and one more thing, assign default profit center means we need to define default profit center for the that you will understand when I will define. And one last
Hmm.
last very important configuration. Uh, this document splitting the in document splitting configuration, if you guys will remember, there is one configuration, a classified document type for document splitting. You remember this one? Very important configuration. Document splitting is itself very important configuration. See, classified document type for document splitting. So, as for SA, like this for SA we have done in the configuration, right? If you guys remember, since we are defining here the this one CP and CR, just we will check. whether that is available or not in the system. We need to check for the KR also, KR, KG, KZ. Okay. Same way we need to check whether CP and CR is there or not. So if it is CP and CR is by default there, but we need to just check where this configuration is available or not in the system.
Okay.
Okay. So now see for KR also it is there, KG, KZ also there. Same way we just we need to check whether for CP and CR it is there or not. So we can see for CP 1000 means payment, cash payment, and cash receipts. Okay. CR, okay, it is payment only. Okay. So now
Okay.
Srinath will take care. So this configuration should be there in the document splitting so that we can get the document splitting effects. So now our configuration is done. So let me here add here uh, document document type configuration for ledger ledger and then assign default profit center to cash general, assign default profit center to cash general and classify document types for document splitting. Classify document types for okay. So now let us do this configuration in the system. So these are the 10 configuration are there. So now please give first heading. Please give first heading. Uh,
Yeah.
give first heading cash general,
Yes, sir.
cash general slash petty cash, and configuration we will do first. Okay. Write down the path.
Yeah.
Write down the path. Yeah. This one. No, first now give first configuration. Give heading again. Configurations. And first configuration is create GL account for cash general. First configuration is create GL account for cash general. For this one, for this one, write down the path. Create GL account for cash general. Please write down the path. SPRO, SPRO, financial accounting new.
Hmm.
After that, bank accounting, SPRO, financial accounting new, bank accounting. After bank accounting, business transaction, business transaction. After business transaction, cash general. After business transaction, cash general. After cash general, create GL account for cash general. After cash general, create GL account for cash general.
Okay.
Okay, so
Hmm.
we will create four, let's suppose cash in hand corporate, four GL account we will create: cash in hand corporate, cash in hand, let's suppose Patanjali, cash in hand Balnagar, cash in hand Guntur. So four location GL account we will create. Okay, if there will be requirement, we can maintain same way for, like here, let's suppose we are creating location wise or profit center wise. We can create, as per the requirement, other cash general GL account also. So okay, so create cash general GL account. Here we will go. Okay, so now uh, give GL account 240 LI01 company code, which is correct only, and then
Did you click on it?
click on this one. Bank account I will take, cash and bank group, short text and long text, cash in, cash in hand, corporate, cash in hand corporate, account group A240, cash and group, cash and bank, balance sheet account, short text and long text, cash in hand corporate. Okay, click on control data tab, click on control data tab, line item display, sort key 027. In control data tab, I am giving line item display, sort key 027, line item display, sort key 027. Then click on create bank interest tab, field status group G005. This posting will be done automatically.
Yes.
Field status group G005. Posting will be done automatically. That is why I am setting this post automatically only, and relevant to cash flow. This one also I am set because it is related to cash flow, cash related. So two checkboxes we need to tick: post automatically only and relevant to cash flow. These two checkboxes we need to select. Okay,
Yeah.
getting? Now see, as per the business, that configuration setup that I will tell you. So first, let us create this one, this GL. Post automatically will be, that cash journal post automatically as per the setup cash journal, right? We define, I showed you guys, right? So depending upon those requirement, I will tell you that one. First, let us create the cash this GL. So now save. Now save. Okay. So now second GL account. Second GL account give create second GL account 240100. 240100 we will create, which is cash in hand Patanjali. 240100 cash in hand Patanjali. We can create by with template, right? 240100 we want to create for Patanjali. Okay. Create with template 240900. 240100 we can create with 240900. Create with template 240900. What just we need to change? We need to just change the description, short text and long text. Okay, and save it.
Hmm.
Third one, create 240110 240 110 for Balnagar. Copy from the Copy from the 240900 and create cash in hand Balnagar 240110. Okay, and then 240190 Guntur 240190, same cash in hand Guntur 240190. Done. So four GLs we have, this GL maintenance we have done for the cash GL. Okay. So now give next heading for the configuration. Amount limit. Amount limit. Second configuration. Okay. Click on that. Like what is the requirement of the amount limit company want to set. Okay. So after coming to this configuration, click on new entries. Click on new entries and give company code LI01. I'm giving currency, in which currency INR, value from which date. Let's suppose I want 0104 for this 2024. I want to set 10. Okay, amount 10,000. Save it. Save in our. You guys notice one thing for GL account. It did not ask for to save in the TR, whether
Yeah.
we are doing from the IMG screen only, configuration screen only. But it did not ask for the TR. But now for amount limit, it is asking for the TR. Means GL account will be transferred with the help of TR. It will not be transferred, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, but this amount limit will be transferred. So now please give a third configuration. Third one. Define document type for cash general documents. Define document types for cash general documents. Define document types for cash general documents. T code is OBA7. T code is OB, same T code. This one OBA7.
Bro, what is next heading?
Define document types. Define document types for cash general documents. Same. This one is document types. Like just name they are telling cash general document. Define document types for cash general documents. T code is OBA7.
For create GL, the T code is not FS00 here.
No, no, same only. That is
यहाँ
same
पे
only.
FS01 है ना फिर?
FS01 hai, but that is FS00 screen only. Na, see, see,
हाँ.
screen is same, but we can check whether FS01, what is FS01 also work. Let me show. FS01. FS01 also, FS00 also same, FS01 also same. Both means T code same only. With FS01 also we are coming to same FS00. Both are same only.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one, define document type for cash general documents. So this CP and CR is by default standard document types SAP has given, but we need to check whether that is available in the system or not. If sometime it is missing, if suppose new server is purchased and if it is missing, then that has to be maintained. So but we need to be aware about these two GL accounts. Standard SAP is given for the cash journal documents, cash journal posting related. So we need to, if it is missing, then we need to do the configuration. So see, please write down CP and first CP, document type CP, which is cash payments. CP, which is cash payments. Select CP, click on details. Now please write down these all details. Number range 10, you can see the screen please. Number range 10, reversal document type AB, or account types allowed, these five I want. Control data, negative posting intercompany. These details you can write. If this document type is missing, so I will click new entries and we can create the document type. But it is by default standard SAP is given, so no need to create. Just but you write down if you know. Please write down these details. CP and then CR, CP, which is for cash payment, and next one is CR, which is cash receipts. Number range is 11, reversal document type AB, and the same things as previous you can write down. Account types allowed and same details. Okay.
Yes.
So now give next heading. Define number range intervals for cash general. Define number range intervals for cash general documents. Define number range intervals for cash general documents. Key code is FDCJC1. Key code is FDCJC1.
Okay.
Okay. So cash general documents. So here give company code. I'm giving LI01 and click on change intervals. Give company code, click on change intervals. 01, 000 at last, 9 times 01, and 2 number 10 times 0, and save it. Number range maintenance also, client wise, system wise we need to do. Number range also is not saved in any TR. So see, it is not asked for TR. It is saved in every system, like in development, golden and sandbox. This we need to do as per the client. In client wise we need to do. In development, two systems we need to do separately. Then quality also separately, production also separately. Okay. So 01, 9 times 01, and 10 times 2 number 10 times 9. Okay. So now next configuration, setup cache general.
For X1 and X2.
Not here. That we will do. That we will do. This is only for the cache general documents. So that for X1 and X2 we will do later. Because see here it is not asking for that no, for non-reading ledger. So that we will do. I will do it. So please give next heading. This one, setup cache general. Setup cache generals. C code is FBCJ C0. FBCJ C0. Okay. So now here Click on new entries because with li01 we don't have anything. Yeah. Click on new entries. Give li01, which is my company code, and here I am giving for corporate L900. Okay. Cash GL I am giving 240900. Okay, which we have created. Currency I am giving INR. Okay, and this all like CP. I have explained this one. Then CP, CP, CR, CR. Okay, cash general name, delete, cash general corporate. Okay, same way
You know
control.
this CP three times.
CP, but see where I am giving CP, this document, this one for GL account, then I am not giving for distribution. Then here you can see, you can write down and you can keep for this one blank, second one. Control Y. So again we need to do for, again next one is you give li01 100. Okay, because we are setting up for Patancheru, first corporate, then Patancheru. Okay, you can see the screen also. 240. Second one is for Patancheru. Third one is for Balnagar. Okay, and fourth one is for Guntur. Guntur. Patancheru 140. Okay. Now, likewise, please see the screen. Second one I have changed this cash general L100, GL account 240100, and this cash general name I have changed. Third one L110 240100 GL account, and description I changed to Palnagar. Fourth one L190 GL account 240100, and description also cash general name also have changed to Guntur. This one, yeah, up to this much only. Okay. And now save it. Okay, I'm saving it. Okay,
Yeah.
save it. It is asking for TR. Save now TR. Now come back. Give next heading. Create, change, delete. Create, change, delete business transaction. Create, change, delete business transaction. Okay. So click on new entries.
Hmm.
LI01 company code. Business transaction C. Business transaction C. Just a minute. Hello, sorry, yeah. So,
Yeah.
business transaction C, then GL account we define 2401001, 2410001. This I have explained you guys. Cash withdrawn from SDFC. This one is bank outgoing, HDFC outgoing account.
Visual correct.
HDFC. Okay.
Bro, from where we have you have taken this GL code?
This one, see, this one, like I explained, uh, this is not cash general GL account. So I want to withdraw cash from the bank. Okay. So
Hmm.
entry will be cash general GL account. Let's suppose we are defining four cash general GL account in the system, right?
Yes.
So corporate 240900, for
Hmm.
Balnagar Guntur, and one more, right? Uh,
Padancheru, Balnagar.
Patancheru, Balnagar Guntur. So
Hmm.
the if we are withdrawing cash from the bank, the entry will be, let's suppose we are withdrawing for this Patancheru. So cash
Hmm.
in hand Patancheru debit, right? We are withdrawing from the bank. So bank outgoing account will be credit, right?
Yeah.
Bank outgoing account will be credit. So here we are assigning, we are doing the setup for the cash, this one. We are doing setup for the business transaction. Like what are the business transaction we need to
Okay.
do for our business to do the postage. So here we are defining this GL account, this bank outgoing GL account to use for our cash and related postings.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is our bank outgoing account we are, which we are here defining. Okay.
Okay.
So this one is bank outgoing account because we are withdrawing cash from the bank. Cash general business transaction. Okay. So now next one. Next one, same LI01 C, receipt from the bank account 241011, cash withdrawn from IDBI Bank. Here write down SDFCA, IDBOD. Okay. Now third one. li01 payment to bank account means bank will get incoming payment. So we are depositing the bank. Okay. So payment to bank account. So here incoming bank account we will do 241002 cash deposited with HDFCA cash deposited with IDBOD IDBOD. Okay. Fifth one is revenue. R means revenue. GL account we want to book the revenue in this GL, which is our consultancy charges. Consultancy charges in LI01 are 320200. Check trading charges. Check trading charges E expense transportation expense E 430100 security charges. E advertisement expenses. Okay, here special GL indicator, not a special GL indicator. Here I will give D, here I will give K. Cash receipt from customer. Cash payment to vendor. 1 minute, please.
Yes.
Yes, written down.
Yeah.
Okay, so now see, this one is done. Now save. It will be saved in our TR only. Okay, now next one. Give next heading. My system. Okay, set up print parameters for cache general. Set up print parameters for cache general. Set up print parameters for cache general. You guys have time up to what time?
Bro?
You guys means will be ready means you guys wants to means you guys have office today.
Yeah, yeah.
So up to what time we can continue? Half an hour, 30 minutes we have or 1 hour? Both of you.
अब
We
एट
have
थर्टी
15.
तक
Huh?
8:30 तक
8:30 तक means half 25 minutes का होगा ना? ठीक है.
You have time, bro?
हाँ, I have also time like I need to go after 1 hour. No, 1 hour 30 minutes I have to go. Okay, so within 25 minutes we will try to complete. So let's do it little fast. So
Okay.
set up print parameters for caching. Okay, this is the configuration. And after coming here, click on new entry, give company, click on new entry. Please write down fastly. Company code LI01, LI01, cache general print program, cache general print programs. Okay, here give RF cache 20, RF cache 20. Okay, report variant demo en corresponding SAP 18 and save it. This is the print program which RF cache 20 which we are defining here. Okay, company code LS01 RF cache 20 print program report variant demo en and correspondence SAP 18. Okay, save in our TR. Now after saving, go to SE38. Go to SE38 T code. Go to SE38 T code. Here give the program RF cache, CSH cache 20. Okay, and then click on execute. Give program name this RF cache 20. Then click on execute.
Bro, which GL code?
SE
T code.
SE S
Hmm.
for Shimla, E for England, SE38. Okay, SE38 T code. Here give program RF cache, same program which we have given there in the print program, RF cache 20, and then click on execute. Don't click on create, click on execute. Because this is ABAP program. ABAP will create develop any program. So we are just executing the existing one. Click on execute, and here give company give company code LI01. I'm giving my company code. You guys please give yours. LI01 cache general. I'm giving L100. This L100 we have defined where in setup cache general.
Yes, sir.
Setup cache general we have given. Okay, and date interval give from 01 04 2024 up to 31 12 999. Okay, after that click on save as variant, click on save as variant and save like L demo en, and below give description of the variant, delete cache journal potential. Okay, save. Yeah, it is saved. Okay, now it is done. So now see, now next configuration, give heading define document type for entry view in a ledger. Now we have come to do the configuration for the ledger wise. Same number range we will do. Define, give next configuration. Please write down fast. Define document type for entry view in a ledger. Define document type for entry view in a ledger. Same SPRO. Don't write path. I think path you guys already know. So no need to write this one. Define document type for entry view in ledger, or write down the path for that issue. Otherwise, you guys get confused. Write down the path. SPRO, financial accounting new, financial account global settings new. SPRO, write down the path. SPRO, financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new. After that, document. After document types. After document types, and after document types, define document types for entry view in a ledger. Okay. Here I'm giving my IFRS ledger, which is X1, IFRS ledger, which is X1, and then continue. Same way, 9898, I will keep for CP, and we have two document types, CP and CR. CP and CR, and I will give 9898 and save. Okay. Same way,
Okay.
repeat the same. You can write down, repeat the same for US gap, which is X2 in my case. Okay.
Okay.
CP and CR 9992. CP and CR 9999. Okay, save. Yeah. So now give next heading. Define document type for general. Define document type for GL view in a ledger. For GL view in a ledger. Okay. So first again X1 IFRS. So we have 1011 available. So document type give CP. Here give 10 CR. Here give 11 and save it. Okay, for IFRS done. Repeat the same. Come back and repeat the same for the US gap, which is X2, CP and CR, CP and CR for CP10 or CR11. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is number range key we have defined. Now let's define number range. Okay. So give next heading. Define document number range for entry view. Define document number range for entry view. First one is define document number range for entry view. The code is FBN1. Give company code and define for 10 and 11.
What is on the 10 and 11?
Number range key we define 10 and 11, right? So here we will define number ranges like 10 11 number range key, then fiscal year, then 101 9 times 0, and then 102 8 times 9. So number range here we will define. Okay, you can see the screen please. 10 number range key, fiscal year, and then this number range we are defining. Okay, and then save. Click on save. Click on save. Come back. Come back. Now next heading. Copy to fiscal year, copy to company code. I'm skipping. That is not a big deal. So give next heading. That also we can do. Give next heading. Define document number range for general ledger view. Give next heading. Define document number range for general ledger view. Okay. So number range key 10, fiscal year 24, same way. Number range key 11, and then number range 11,000 like that for general ledger view, and save it.
Here for document entry view, we have given 98, 99, right?
Uh, yes.
But then in the document range for entry view, here we have given 10, 11.
Yes, you are correct only. But see, let me show you this one. So number range key you are telling, but this one actually we are not defining in TR, right? See, 98, 99 we have already defined, right?
Hmm.
Okay, 98, 99 we have already defined. So here for 10 and 11, we had not defined. So it is not asking in any ledger wise. Company code wise we are defining right here. See, let me come back completely. I'm coming here. Okay. So for 10 and 11, we have not defined. 10, 11 is required for the leading ledger. So I'm clicking on interval. Now see with 10, 11, it was not defined, which is required for leading, entry view for leading ledger. For 98, 99, this we have already done in at the time of GL. So see, since it is not asking for the any ledger, so 98, 99 we have already defined. That is why number range key we define in the ledger wise, right? In CP, for CP and CR in X1 and X2 ledger. So here we can see this 98, 99 already there. but 1011 was not there, so that is why we defined 1011 also.
Okay.
If it will, because it is already existing, that's why we did not define 9899. Already there, see, 9899. Okay, so now both we have done. Now give next heading, assign default profit center to cash GL account. See, automatically
So
posting.
document range for GLB also same 10 and 11.
Hmm?
Document range for general GLU.
The GL also 10 and 11. Yes, yes. See, company code. This is GLV I'm opening, 10 and 11. Here 99 and here 98, 99 not required. Here you can see 10 and 11. Okay.
Okay.
So now give next heading, assign default profit center to cash account. Assign default profit. See, automatically profit, automatically this posting will happen. And like when manually we do the FP50, FP60, so we manually give business area and profit center. So here, and without profit center, system will not, because document splitting is mandatory. We have done the document splitting configuration. So without giving the profit center, system will not accept. So since automatically this business transaction we have already defined, right? Cash withdrawn from bank, cash deposited with the bank. These scenarios we need to do automatically, we will do. So that time there we have not defined any profit center. So that is the why we need to assign default profit center for our four GLs, which we have created for that corporate, Patancheru, Balnagar, and Guntur. So for those four GLs, we need to assign default profit center so that system will, will pick that profit center. Otherwise, posting cannot happen without profit center. So that is why we need to do this configuration. So please give heading, assign default profit center to cash accounts. Say logical, right? Understanding.
Yeah.
Yes.
So please give heading, um, assign default profit center to cash account. Okay. Path is SPRO financial accounting new, SPRO financial accounting new, general ledger new, then master
Hmm.
data, general ledger new, then master data, then profit center, general ledger view, master data, profit center, assign default profit center to accounts. Assign default profit center to accounts. I will double click on this, give company code LI01 and click new entries. And here you can please see the screen also. Control C, Control V. For corporate, I am giving corporate profit center 2400. So this one is 100 only. Patancheru, I am giving Patancheru, no, this one only profit center for Balnagar. Patancheru, in Patancheru, property are means costly or same like Hyderabad or less costly?
So, there will be high only one potential
Okay.
rates.
Okay, 500. Okay. And how far Patanjali? 20 kilometers?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now see, please see the screen. So respective profit center, corresponding profit center I have assigned with their GLs. Okay. For corporate 9,000, for Patanjali 1,000, for Balnagar 1,100, for Guntur 1,900. and GL account also respective, likewise I have, uh, I am assigning it, okay, and then save, assign this and click on save, and give last heading, give last one, classified document types for document splitting, classified document type for document splitting. So okay, this one actually is
That's right.
more uh, classified document type for document splitting, same configuration, document splitting configuration. Classified document types for document splitting. Okay, so here same path, you can write on the path SPRO, financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, business transaction, document splitting, classified document types for document splitting. Please write on the path. Uh, Heading was classified document types for document splitting. Path is financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, business transaction, document splitting, classified document types for document splitting. Okay. So see, by default, these details you guys please write down. It is by default there. But if it is in the system, it is not there, we need to configure for CP and CR. Please see the screen and write down for CP and CR. Okay, like this. CP cash payment transaction 1000 variant 0001 description payments name standard, like this you can write down these two CP and CR, because for these two document types we want document types for these two document we want cash and to be treatable.
Okay.
Okay, so now this one is done, and cash general postings, write down next one, SAP menu, accounting. Now we will do the testing postings. Okay, configuration we have completed. Next, give heading cash general postings. T code is FBCJ. Cash general postings. T code is FBCJ. Write on the path. Now SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting.
Okay.
Okay, SAP menu, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting. GL document entry. GL document entry, cash general posting. GL document entry, cash general posting. T code is FBCJ. Accounting, financial accounting, GL document entry, then FBCJ, cash general posting. Okay. So we will come here. Now first you see, whenever we come here, please see the screen. Here now it is showing company code GI01. We need to change, right? So
Yeah.
how we can change? So you can write down, click on change cash general. This is our, this we need to change, like we change company code, right? Same way we need to change the
Yeah.
cash general. Click on change cash general. Now give our company code LI01. Okay, we have defined four cash general in our case. Okay, corporate Patancheru Balnagar Guntur. So let's take first Patancheru 1 L100. Okay, company code LI01, cash general L100, and then continue. Click on change cash general. Then we are changing to our company code LI01, cash general L100, which is Patancheru cash general. Okay, and then click on continue. Now you can see the new screen we have got, right? Now you
Yeah.
see opening balance is zero. Please see the screen. Opening balance is zero. Total cash receipts zero, total check receipt zero, total check cash, sorry, total cash payment zero, closing balance zero. Now we have not done any transaction for this company in this company code, whether in Patancheru, whether in any location. We have defined four locations, four cash related things, but we have not done any transaction. That's why it is showing opening balance and closing balance as zero only. Okay. So now we will do first. So first, to make any payment, first we need to get some cash in our system. Then only we can make the expense. Means first we need to withdraw cash from the bank. Then we can have cash in our with the business, right?
Hmm.
Cash in hand with the business. So we want to bring cash in the Patancheru GL. So that cash how from where we can take daily business from where? From the bank withdrawal, right?
Yeah.
So first scenario we will do cash withdrawn from HDFC CA. Okay. So see business transaction, business transaction, cash withdrawn from HDFC A, which is one. Cash withdrawn from HDFC A, which is one. Select this one. Okay. Amount 9,000. Okay. Now click enter. You cannot use incoming payment here. Okay. You please see the screen. Try to understand why I cannot use.
To return to your computer.
Please see the tabs.
If you not able to content transaction type incoming payment.
Because it's a cash posting, CP.
I am selecting wrong tab, right? I am selecting in cash payment. I'm in cash payment. I am trying to do the receiving, right? Which is wrong.
Yeah.
So that is why system is giving error. System is correct because I am selecting wrong. This one. Now please cancel this one. Again, I need to come back. Okay, cash receipts. So now one means same, right? Now see, this is the error. Posting period. Okay. Change cash general. Why it is showing? Let me do it for today only. Why it is showing 2023? See, I have clicked on today. If I want to do yesterday, I can click on yesterday. I want to click here. Otherwise, it was showing last updated date, last
Yeah.
year. Okay, so that also we need to take care. So here I will select one. One means cash withdrawn. Again, same mistake.
Cash receipts.
Mm, Receipts. Date is correct. One. Now you can see from where this GL account has come. We have done this configuration. Uh, set
Yeah.
up Set up cash general. So
Yes.
there we have assigned this cash general, right? L100 for Patancheru, and there only we have defined this bank outgoing payment, bank outgoing HDFC, right? So from there it is automatically coming from the configuration. There is no magic happening. Backend configuration is triggering these things, right? System is
Yeah.
behaving as per our configuration. Okay. So here we will select this one, 9,000.
Okay.
Okay. Recipient who is receiving, let's suppose anybody name I can write, Ranjini is receiving. Okay. And text cash withdrawn from HDFC. cash with drawn from HDFC, right?
Hmm.
Select this line, click on save button. Now you see from red it is turned to yellow. Entry saved.
Yeah.
Okay, means it is parked. It is not posted. It is parked. You can write down. Red becomes yellow means document is parked. Red becomes yellow means document is parked. Okay, and then select this one and click on post. Select same line, then click on post. Now business area is not filled. Business area is not filled. Right on means business area is also required. Profit center we have given default. Give business area manually LHYD. Okay, and then post. Give business area manually LHYD, then post. Now see this one is turned as green, right? So now document is posted. Document is posted. Okay, select this one, click on follow on there. Select this one, click on follow on documents. Now we can see this accounting entry, cash in hand, financial debit to SDFC bank or CA current account outgoing credit, right? It is correct only, right?
Yeah.
Today's date you can see, document number C, 10 series. Okay, so all things are this document posted automatically. So now second one, now we have got the cash. Now you see the opening balance, total cash receipts 9,000. Now business can do the little bit expenses up to 9,000. So now give next heading. Now again do the cash receipt from now we will do cash receipt from the customer. Second, second one, cash receipt from the customer. Second posting, let's do second cash and posting. Cash receipt from the customer. Cash receipt, this one, 10 number, right? Either we can type 10 or we can select by F4. Cash receipt from the customer. Let's take 7,000. Okay. Enter a customer for this accounting transaction. So because we have not defined this what GL, it is not, it is sub ledger. That's why here we need to assign manually customer, right? So manually assign here the customer 620000. I think this one only. Okay. So now select this one. Select this one. Deselect first line. Select this one. Click on save. Now see from red to yellow means it is parked. Select this one and then post. Okay. Same error. Business area we need to give. So give business area LHYD and post. So now we want to see this entry. Select this one, click on follow on documents. Okay, now see cash in hand, yes, all services, credit. General ledger review. Now it has gone to trade receivable, which is also correct. Okay,
Yes.
okay. So now
Yeah, bro.
cash payment, third one. Please give third heading, cash payment. Cash deposited, click on cash payment tab. Now we have got 16,000 balance. Now we can make expenses up to 60,000. Cash payment, click on cash payment tab. Okay. First we will do cash deposited in IDBI. Cash deposited in IDBI. Cash deposited with IDBI. Okay. So here we'll do 2,500. Okay. What we need to do else? Okay. So now select this one. Click on save. Then again select post and check this journal entry. Click on follow on documents. Now you see debit IDBI is overdraft incoming debit, credit cash in hand. Right, correct only.
Yes.
So we have done this third scenario also. Now fourth one, fourth one, cash deposited with HDFC, cash deposited with HDFC. Now you see the balance 2,500 we have deposited in IDBI. Now balance 13,000 credit. Okay, now deselect this one. Cash deposited with IDBI. Sorry, now cash deposited with HDFC. This one will select. Now deposit here 1,500. Business area LSYD. Enter. Save and post. Now this one also we can see the journal entry HDFC. Cash in hand credit. HDFC debit. HDFC incoming debit. So now let's do the fifth one. Let's do the fifth one. Uh, Expense we will what we will do, expense we will do cash payment, and now let's do the expense. So fifth scenario, cash payment tab, and we will do expense, security charges payment we will do. Okay, this one it is, let's suppose 900. Give business area, enter, select this one, save and post. Check this one, this entry. Okay, security charges expense debit, cash in hand potential credit. Right.
Yes.
Now one very important thing I will tell, like if multiple transaction, like for multiple transaction at a time we want to do. Okay. Now let's do one cash receipt again. Let's do one cash receipt. Click on cash receipt. Next scenario, cash receipt. We will collect one receipt. Will be here. Consultancy charges, let's suppose 2,000. Business area. Save. Post. Okay. Now let's if we want to do multiple cash payment at a single time or multiple cash single time. So how we can do? So let's see. Please see the screen. So here I will give this advertisement expense, which is okay, and then you see here advertisement expense. Let's suppose 700. Then you can see the split option.
Yes.
Click on this. Then we will give multiple. So advertisement 700. Then we will give this expense. Let's suppose security charges. Copy. Enter amount right only. Let's suppose 1200. And this one copy. Now I want transportation also. So transportation also select this one. Let's suppose 900. Okay. We need to assign business area in all LHYD, 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 copy. Okay, now see accumulated 3 amount has come. Now it is showing as star, and you can see the split has got the green like green. This one is right, and above ones does not have any green green bulb there. And you can see this split option has got green. And the head is showing star means there are 3 or multiple business transactions I have selected at a single time, and amount is showing that collective amount is showing as 2800. Business area I have already given. Click on save, select this one, click on post. Now see, now let us check the journal entry. See,
Hmm.
that is done like multiple we have done. Same way we can do for receipts also. Same process we can do for receipts also. Now this one is done. Now last scenario we have last scenario in cash general. So suppose we want to do advance cash payment to vendor or advance cash receipt from customer. I will tell you guys the advance cash payment to vendor. You can do the receipt from the customer by their own by your own. So let's do this advance cash payment to vendor, but we have not done any configuration for advance payment to vendor. Okay, so that we need to do. So write down, give heading advance payment to vendor to cash general, advance payment to vendor to cash general. Okay, from extra menu select business transaction. From extra menu, change business transaction. Change business transaction. If we want to give advance to the vendor, because we have not done that configuration. From extra menu, select change business transaction. Company code LI01. Now you see we have defined these all right in
Yeah.
LI in our LI01,
Hmm.
but we have not we defined for K and D also, customer and vendor also, but we did not define any special GL related. Can you see in the special GL
Yes, yes.
uh, the special GL column we have not defined anyone, any A or retention, nothing. So that we need to define first to use that scenario in the posting. So for that we need to define. So click on new entry. Click on new entries. Okay. Give company code LI01. Business transaction K. Special GL indicator A. Advance cash payment to vendor. Advance cash payment to vendor. Tax method select, tick this one, tax method, and save. Okay. Why this error is coming? This one is K. Okay, save in our PR. Now come back. See, this configuration we could have gone through the path, or from the FBCJ screen also we have come. That is a part of configuration. It asked for PR, right? But either
Okay.
I have come through this transaction from FBCJ, because user should be given access. If user is not given access, if user is given only display access, like you guys know, right? You guys are only given the display access for reports or configuration. So same wise, either I could have gone through the path FPRO and bank transaction, business transaction, or from here also I have come, and this is our practice system. That's why I have access to do the changes. So I'm changing. I have defined here. This is the part of configuration I have done. Special GL. Okay. So
Okay.
now let's do this scenario. Okay. Cash payment. Okay. Cash payment tab to vendor we want to do, and we have defined this one. This one, right? Yeah, 12 number. This one we will select and select this one. And let's suppose 500, and then enter. It is asking for vendor, which is correct only, right? So let's suppose I will give 20000. Okay. Select this one
Okay.
and then click on save, and then click on post. Now it is passed from red to yellow. Select again post. Okay. This error is correct only. We need to assign the business area. Click on post. Now see it is posted. Select this line, click on follow on documents. Now see, please see advance, right? We have paid advance. It should go in the to advance GL account. See, this is the advance GL account 155100. This is not trade payables account, right? Right now, yeah.
Yeah.
FS 00155 100 means ledger balances 155100. Ledger balances are updating correctly. Advance to vendor GL account, it is also updating correctly only. So cash general GL account we have completed. Thoroughly I have explained you guys from the configuration up to the posting each and every scenarios. Few scenarios if you guys want. I think this much is okay only. Okay. Um, if any particular requirement, specific requirement you will receive from the business, you can, if you guys are practicing this much, you can understand and you can make changes and you can do accordingly. So but this much you guys please practice. Okay.
Sure.
So tomorrow we'll connect. Okay. In the
Okay.
evening we'll discuss, you guys can confirm or I will confirm the timing. Okay. And then tomorrow
Okay.
we'll connect. I will try to
Tomorrow same time.
same time. Okay, no problem, then same time we'll connect. Tomorrow I will try. Tomorrow is tomorrow is holiday only, right? Weekend only. So
Yes.
we will try to come. I will try to complete more topics tomorrow. Okay. Up to TDS, I will try to complete more topics. Okay. Okay. Please practice.
Okay.
Okay. You guys are really means you guys having like you guys God has given good mind. So please, but practice is required. Otherwise, na In interview, scenarios will be given. Okay. So please practice.
Sure.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Thank you. And today I will try to give the recording. It was recorded on mobile. Yeah, it is recorded.